In this video, I'll show you how to fix your alarm if it has stopped working since you have updated your iPhone to iOS 17.4.1. So people who rely on the iPhone's alarm to wake up from sleeping, since the new update, this has now caused some issues. So let me show you how to resolve this issue by turning off a feature. So the feature which you need to turn off is called Attention Aware feature. So let me show you where it is. So first you want to go into Settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. Go ahead and type in your passcode. Now you want to scroll down until you see the Attention section. And here you're looking for this feature called Attention Aware features. So to fix the issue with your alarm not ringing, you need to go ahead and toggle the switch to the left hand side. So you get to switch this off. Now once you switch that off, your alarm will start working when you have updated your iPhone to iOS 17.4.1. So there you go. That is how to fix the alarm from working in iOS 17.4.1 on your iPhone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.